Here's this other cuckoo. There's a change all the way down there. I didn't get a video of this one. Sorry, I was a little bit busy that day. This one did have a little bit of damage. I got to re-glue the bird back on it. The bird fell off in shipping. I'm having to file a claim with the shipper because they kind of abused the box. It was messed up when I got it. And this bird was off, and the bellows are damaged as well. The clock seems to be running alright though. I have a claim filed. I'm waiting to see what happens. I'll let y'all know as I get updated on that one. And I also have a clock guy coming to look at it to see how much it would cost to repair the clock. And make sure there is no other damage to the clock, but it seems to be running alright. This is a one-day cuckoo. It only runs for a day. It did have an issue that it didn't want to stay running, but I put a heavier weight on it for a day. I ran it like that for about a day or two, and it seemed to run. And then I moved it in here where I wanted it. I had taken the picture off in my room and hung it up there just temporarily. And I let it run there for about a day or two. And it only unwound about halfway, and I would wind it up again and just keep running it. You know, and eventually I guess it loosened up the grease or the dirt or whatever, loosened it up a little bit. Seems to be running. Then I put it in here, and I noticed it wasn't staying running in here either. Well, I noticed the tick and talk was off, so I just listened and moved the clock from side to side or whatever until I heard the tick and talk more even. It's been running fine ever since. It's fixing to chime. Well, it's fixing to. The gong on it still works, but the cuckoo doesn't do anything. It pops up, but doesn't make any sound. Oh, and another thing on this clock is when I got it, that's the cuckoo in my room going. But when I got this clock, this chain had slipped off the wheel, and let me tell you, it wasn't fun getting that back on. It took about 2 hours to get it back on. There goes my other clock. It's a little off on this one. It doesn't chime right on the dot. It's a little off. So there it goes. Alright, I'm knocking stuff over here. And this is the other bird. This is part of the bellow. And here is the bellow. This is half of it. The other half is still in the clock. The other one's pretty ripped up too, but it's still in there. It still moves, it just doesn't make the whistle anymore. Alright, I guess that's it. I'll keep y'all updated on the clock. I'll let you know when I get it fixed, if I get it fixed. Well, it's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when, because I am going to get it repaired. I'll see y'all later. Bye.